What is going on, YouTube? This is Curtis with the Small Mountain Paranormal team. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing video, but I also want to show you guys my new camcorder that I will be using for YouTube. Um, this is the camcorder. Paid a pretty good price for it. There's a light that helps with make the night vision go better, and an internal speaker. It's going to be used really good for paranormal videos. I'm excited about this camcorder because there's a lot of stuff to do with it. A lot of features, good quality, a lot of good stuff with it. I have a shotgun mic on here that works really good. Show you guys. So you guys will be expecting some good quality with this camcorder right here I'm showing you. I figured, because I want to make better content for you guys, so I just decided to check my budget out and see if I can afford one, and I got one. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. You guys will like it. So we're gonna go ahead and set this right here aside, and we're gonna get to the unboxing video. Let's sit down here and check it out. Check this unboxing out. Put the camera down here until I open it up. Here's this part. It says Spirit Hunter on it. It's a nice little compact case. Let's see here. Use one hand to film with one. And let me set my camera down, guys. Let me open this up. Alright. There we go. Got it opened up. Let's pull this out. It's pretty nice. Hang on one second. Alright, there it is. There's a better thing. Now let's open this up. And look what it is. It's copper dowsing rods. Nice. Looking, they're kind of heavy. Be using this for spirit communication too. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. And I'm going to see how they work. So hold tight. Alright. I really have to get used to these guys. I haven't really used dowsing rods. If there's any spirits here, can you move this over? Show me your yes answer, please. If there's any spirits here, can you show me your yes answer? Can you uncross them, please? Thank you. Can you show me your no answer, please? Is there any spirits in this house? Can you show me your yes answer? Uncross them, please. Well, there they go, guys. Those dowsing rods. Take a little bit of time to practice with them and get familiar with them, but I'll figure them out. But anyways, there's the dowsing rods. So they come in a little case I showed you. They come in this. So hopefully we can get some videos with me using these. And I just want to thank you guys. This is a short video, but I want to thank you guys for the ones that's already subscribed. If you're not subscribed to my channel just yet, and you're just browsing through and you just happen to see my channel and you like paranormal videos, stuff with the paranormal, basically, then feel free to subscribe. I mean, I'm down for whoever wants to subscribe and watch my videos. With that new camcorder I just showed you guys, I'll be providing you guys better content, so you guys will be having something to look forward to. Upload week will be every Monday. It'll be back on Mondays. So I look forward to sharing my content with you and making some good videos. And thank you guys again for the ones that's been watching my videos. Thank you. It means a lot. And the ones that's just browsing through, if you feel confident that you like my videos and like my content, please subscribe. It helps me out. It helps you out. It'll make me happy knowing that you're watching me, and I can provide some interesting footage for you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. You guys have a good day.